Hi guys, welcome to Irina here. This is the channel where I am making very effective, useful DIY recipes, the natural kind that would make your skin health a lot better. Each week there is a new video, so make sure you subscribe and say hello in the comments. Today I'm preparing the natural moisturizing homemade body wash that is great for cleansing oily skin. So as we all know, our body needs sometimes some help with acne, and this body wash would be just a perfect idea. All the ingredients I'm using are natural and very effective, of course. I'm going to mix everything here in this measuring cup and then transfer it to the container. Well, the first ingredient, because it's a body wash, would be the Castile soap. This is the kind I love using. It's our pure Castile soap, baby hemp. It's unsensed. If you are using the sensed one, you can go ahead and do that, but then you would need to reduce the amount of the essential oils you're using. So we shall need 2/3 of a cup of Castile soap. So let's go ahead and pour it in. And I have also put here the honey, which is the secret ingredient in our body wash, as honey is amazing, providing moisturizing effect, but also for fighting the acne. And I have used this, and I have used it in the amount of 1/4 of a cup. So once I've added everything here, I definitely need to add some oils. And today I'm using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is amazing oil for oily prone skin because it sort of tricks your skin so it doesn't have to produce more sebum. It thins it because usually the sebum of oily skin is very sticky and of course promotes the breakouts. So we shall not need a lot of that. We shall only need it in the amount of 2 teaspoons. So let me go ahead and add it. The next oil we shall definitely use would be the vitamin E oil. It would work as a perfect moisturizer and also a preservative, but it's also a very powerful antioxidant, so we shall definitely need that for our body wash. And we shall need it in the amount of 1 teaspoon. So once we've added that, the only ingredient that's left is the essential oil. I'm using pink grapefruit essential oil because it would provide great, I would say even extremely cleansing effect for your oily skin. And the amount I'm using, if you use the amount suggested, there is no phototoxic concern. So the amount is 50 drops. It actually seems like a lot, but that's a body wash. And I'm going to go ahead and keep counting to 50, and I'll see you in a second. Once we've added all the ingredients, all we need to do is combine everything because we have used honey, and my honey was a little bit thick. So I will need to give it a little work, like store everything. But don't be afraid, honey will be combined. It's not really a problem. And then we shall need to transfer it into the bottle. Today I'm going to use, see, it appears very creamy and it's already perfectly combined, I would even say. Just make sure you get it all. So just like that. Never be afraid to make a honey body wash. That's actually my favorite type. I always load it up with some honey. And make sure your honey is raw and organic. And so today I'm going to use a bottle that is a pump bottle. So I have a Foamy body wash, which is actually a lot more fun to use, right? So to use it, you squirt it onto your washcloth or bath buff, or even directly to your body. So this is what I do. I transfer everything in here. You could also use this wonderful recipe as the shaving oil. So we close it up. And this is it, guys. Well, personally, for me, this is a very luxurious recipe, and I love using it. You could always give it as a gift, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it, and I really hope that you would see the improvement in your skin. But of course, if you're suffering from body acne, just the topical treatment might not be enough, so make sure you do find the real root cause of your problem here. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you like it, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.